Thanks to UBT Business, you can bank anytime, anywhere, and on any device. Enter your login ID and password, then click Login. Select the target to where you would like to have a secure access code delivered. Enter the secure access code in the box once it has been received, and then click Submit. Review the profile screen and make any necessary changes. Click Submit Profile when done. Enter your current password and then a new password that you would like to use. Enter it a second time for confirmation and then click Submit. The login process is now complete.